A cold is a viral infection of the nose, throat, sinuses, and upper airways. It can cause nasal stuffiness, a runny nose, sneezing, and throaty discomfort. Most cough and cold symptoms are because of viruses, seasons change, and the air turns crisp. Discover our popular and natural Ayurvedic solution for cough and cold relief, Ayurvedic Tea Cough Herbo Tea Tablet. This Ayurvedic tea blend comprises Miri, Tulsi, Dalchini, Lavang, Elachi, lemongrass, and Jaiphal. Experience the antimicrobial effect, providing relief for dry, wet, and allergic coughs. Consume 1 Cough Hills tea tablet 2 to 3 times daily. Place a single tablet of Cough Hills into a cup, pour very hot water, stir well, and optionally add milk to taste. Exciting news for entrepreneurs and businesses. If you're looking to bring high-quality Ayurvedic cough and cold solutions to your brand, Herbal Hills offers a business opportunity for private labeling and third-party contract manufacturing of Ayurvedic products.